we'll cut the bush, but we'll need to probably remove this shed. It doesn't look like it has a lot of value, and it could cause us troubles as we go to sell the property when it comes to the loan criteria that would be required under a rural development type scenario. You notice it's got a nice back porch. It's got some soffit and fascia damage up here near the roof. You can see it needs to be pressure washed. If we continue to walk a little bit further towards the back door, you'll see that we're going to probably need to replace this door casing here with a French door system. Just depending, we'll talk with our contractor. It's got a nice little step down, and this will be a nice little exterior area. Most likely we'll get rid of that damaged porch area, but we'll look more at that later. But again, we've got a new roof. We probably can save this right here. Now as we step in, listen guys, this is a real humdinger. So this is going to be a complete at least cosmetic remodel. I think structurally it's pretty sound, but as Harrison is giving you the 360-degree view, you can see that they have left a bunch of stuff, which is typical for a situation like this. Now we can probably chase the people down that were tenants that owe money, but you can run into more cost chasing the money than actually what you could recoup if you chase them. So we'll talk more about that in some other videos. But ultimately what we know we're going to have to do is we're going to have to do a complete flooring system, meaning that we're probably going to be looking at anywhere between $5 to $7 a square foot. We go back with luxury vinyl plank. That'll include the demo, the labor, and the material. What it does not include is a significant subfloor replacement. So the subfloor is this stuff right here that's underneath the carpet. It looks like it's in good shape, but we want to make sure that it's all level. And oftentimes, you know, if it's been exposed very long, as this looks like it has been, then very likely we'll be doing some replacement of some subflooring. Also, you can see the doors. We'll need to count the doors. There's going to be cost in doors. This being previously, this being a trailer, there's a local store about 15 miles up the road where we can buy the materials for trailers. And so we'll see if we can't look at getting that, because we're going to need to replace the doors. We'll probably do a complete rework of the bathrooms, although we can probably salvage the shower. We would probably replace the vanity and replace any damaged sheetrock here. We can either patch that unless it's going to work out to our favor to just sheetrock the room. As you look down here, you'll see that, so here's just what happens when people don't take care and maintain their property. Right here is a good example of subflooring that we'll do, because we've got some water damage around here, and we'll need to treat that and replace that. This is the laundry room area. Come back this way real quick, Harrison. If you'll notice, when we open the electrical box, so as I look here, we're going to have our electricians look at it, determine whether we got a 100 amp or 200 amp service. I should be able to count that up, but I'm not going to try on camera and expose my lack of intelligence without a good contractor at my side. But we'll get that addressed. As we move back towards the kitchen, I want to re-emphasize the cost of what it is to demo a property. You don't want to go into one making too small a guesstimations at what your cost factors are going to be. We're going to need to replace all this kitchen cabinetry most likely. Maybe we can retain the kitchen cabinets, or at least some of them, but most likely I'll just go back with all new. The sink may be okay, just get some new faucets. We'll go with new lighting throughout, freshen that up.